Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Payda, and if you're one of my existing subscribers, I'm so sorry for being away for such a long time. I've just been busy with life, but I'm back now. I've missed you guys so much. I've missed making these videos, but I'm back with one of our favorite videos, a Zara haul, but something a bit different today. It's gonna be a Zara shoe haul because I actually don't have shoes. Most of the shoes that I have are in need of replacements. So I got some really beautiful, different and versatile summer shoes. I hope that you really enjoy them. If you also noticed the ring that I'm wearing, I know it's so gorgeous, isn't it? I am going to make a separate video about the ring. I'll put a link in the description bar for that, and then I'll also put a link directly to a website where I got the ring if you want to have a look for yourself. But thank you so much, and let's get straight into this video. The first pair of shoes that I got from Zara were these gold detailed and woven sandals. I love the front of them. I just love that style with the two-tone, with the woven design, and then that gold like trimming around the edges. I just think they look really nice and elegant. The colors are really good as well because it's a very versatile color, perfect for summertime where you can wear this with different type of outfits. The only negative I have about these shoes is the back of them. They're completely flat, so it does make walking around on tile, laminate and wood a bit hazardous because you do have a likelihood of tripping and falling. I haven't worn them outside yet, so I'm not sure what they're like on pavement, but I really like the look of them and I just think they look really nice, so I think I may just find a way to just manage. But I'll also just do some poses as well. Give you a side angle. Don't you just love the front of them? They're just so pretty. I am a UK size 4, so I'm a European 37. Yeah, I just think these are really nice. They're about £20, so a good price. Quality wise, it feels pretty good. I don't have any really other complaints except from the back of them being really super flat. I do think they could be a little thicker. You have to be a bit careful. They probably won't last you forever. Just depends, of course, on how much you use them. If you're going to wear them every single day, they're probably going to get ruined. But if you just wear them here and there, they probably will last you a little bit. But yeah, I think they're really nice and I would definitely advise you to get them. So these were the shoes that I was most excited about when I purchased on Zara. I just love these. They give me like Sex and the City vibes, like New York vibes. Really different. I love the dotted effect, the black and white detail. Sorry, I'm a bit wobbly. I haven't worn heels in a really long time. But these are so nice. The front is so nice as well, right? Very different, straight cut. I don't know what it is Zara and these straight cuts lately, but these are gorgeous. Gorgeous. So in the front, this material is a satin material, very nice against the skin. It doesn't irritate the skin at all, and I love that. You can like make a little bow at the back. I know my bow's a bit messy. I'll try and fix it next time. And then you've got like the strap detail here at the top. The heel is quite high and it is not very thick, but they do still feel very comfortable. I feel like I could go like the whole day in these. After some practice, because I haven't worn heels in some time now, but I feel like I would be able to manage the whole day in these. Maybe the afternoon. But yeah, I really love these. I can just imagine wearing something really nice, basic white or black dress, and then just putting these on top just to add some shine to them. Sorry for that noise. But yeah, these are gorgeous. I hope you agree. Don't you just love them for like dinner or something? Really nice. Price wise, they were about £40, and again I got these in a size UK 4 or European 37. One of my favorite favorite style of shoes. I love these. I like the two-tone colors with the nude and the black. However, I'm kind of a bit disappointed with Zara. The inside is not as comfortable as I think it could have been. I have very similar shoes and the inside is like a foaming effect, whereas this one is a bit harder. It's not like uncomfortably hard, like where you constantly feel it, but because I'm used to those other ones, it kind of makes these ones feel like, oh. And the material, if you do like wiggle your toes around, you can kind of like feel it. Oh, I don't know how I feel. Let me show you what I'm talking about inside though. It's not like super uncomfortable, but you do feel the material rubbing against you just a little bit. So I would try them out and see how you feel about it. But color-wise, I love them. I love the two-tone. I think it looks really, really nice. Fix them up. Ooh, really, really lovely and soft in the front. Material is gorgeous. And I like the little platform on them. That's definitely going to make them last a bit longer. Well, I think so. And I love the little platform on them as well. It just gives me, you know, a little extra height, which is really, really nice. They are flat-ish at the back, kind of with that dotted effect. The grip feels okay whilst I'm walking on the towels. Like, I don't feel like I'm going to fall over at all. And they're just really, really cute. Very nice. I probably wouldn't be able to wear these all day just because of that material at the bottom. Just because I'm used to a nice, soft, fluffy one. But I probably would be able to wear them for a good few hours still. They are really, really pretty. Show you the front of them. The back is a little bit weird. It does sag a little bit, the material. But it's not that big of an issue. Overall, I'll probably give them like a 7 out of 10. Have a few kinks. They could have been a bit softer, but overall, I think they're really, really nice. I love the color and the design of them. Again, I got them in a size UK 4, which is a European 37. Next up, again, was something a bit different from Zara. I saw these online and they just look really, really stylish and fun. So I thought I would definitely try them out. Lovely kind of knot detail in the front. And then the material in the front, oh my gosh, it's so like distressed, but I love the color of it again. Very neutral and natural. It's very versatile. You can wear it with so many different type of colors. Right now I'm wearing an orange dress and it actually still looks really nice on. They are super comfy. They've got a nice little low heel, but it's a nice block heel, so that definitely helps with them being more comfortable. And I feel like you could definitely wear these for much, much longer than normal stiletto heels. But I don't know the exact length of these, so I will check out Zara's website if you want to find out about that. But these are really, really nice. Very, very comfortable. And yeah, I think they're very trendy. I probably would wear it with like a white dress, black hair, and just hit the town. I think they're nice daytime shoes. I think you could definitely wear them in the nighttime too, but I would probably wear them in the daytime where I kind of want to girly up my outfit a bit more, not just wear flats. Wear something a bit more girly but still really comfortable, which is really what I want to push about these shoes, that they're really, really comfortable. Yeah, really, really cute. Pricing wise, they were £35, so I think it's just really going to depend on you, on how you feel about the price. I would personally pay for it because I think they're worth it, but it is a little bit more expensive. But again, we're shopping at Zara, so we are paying a little bit more for that Zara brand. But quality-wise, they do feel really good. Having a look at them, I don't see any like manufacturing errors. So yeah, up to you, but I really, really like them. Next up were these really different snake print sandals. I got them because I wanted something a bit different. I wanted to try something, you know, out there. But having them on, they're definitely not for me. I think they're more for my mum. But I do love the colors and the snake print style on the side of them. Even though my mom does not like snake print, I think she would actually like these type of shoes. They are a bit strange in the front. They've got like a straight cut instead of kind of like the round effect. The other ones have the same thing as well. I like the colors of them. The style is very different. It's quite nice, but I just don't think that, for me personally, I wouldn't wear them. The tag says that it's £20, but I'm sure that I got them for like £12 because it was a special price. Again, the back is completely, oh sorry, no, the back is not flat. We do have some lines across, which just gives us a bit more grip on the floor, sorry. So I do like that. They do feel a lot more sturdier and safer. I have to say it is a bit loose here at the back for me. I have got a bit of a gap. The other one doesn't have as much of a problem, but the left one does. Again, I got them in a size UK 4. They're very nice, just unfortunately not for me. Okay guys, that was the end of my Zara haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I am sorry, I think because of my little break I've got a bit nervous again, because I was like getting really used to doing YouTube and I was really confident, but like I was a bit nervous today filming, so I'm a bit sorry for that. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a comment, let me know like what shoes you liked, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.